All right, here's the part that I dislike about doing braided wigs on lace fronts and 360s and closures and all of those stuff. So I sewed in my first row of hair to braid out. The bottom part of the 360 is already braided, and I kind of stitched it in between each braid. Yeah, I've worked my way to the top. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so you definitely don't want to fill it in with a lot of braids, because you don't want the wig to be too heavy, and also, you know, pre-stretching the hair before braiding it definitely helps with your wig not being heavy. See? And don't even worry about this showing, because when I'm finished with the front, it's gonna lay to where no matter how you bend your head, this part isn't gonna show unless you go up in there and you lift it up like that. Okay? I created my C part, and then from there I sectioned this side. So this is the side. This section right here is gonna be box braided. And then this section right here that I have cornrowed is gonna be feed-in braids. And then I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on this side. I'm gonna section this side the same way I sectioned this side. Before you start braiding, you wanna leave out your baby hairs. You wanna section that part out. If you've gotten this far into the video, do me the biggest favor and subscribe to my channel. All right, so I'm on this side. I started my braids from this end and I worked my way all the way up to here. I have 2 more braids left because I started this one over, and then I'm gonna do, this is gonna be my last one. If you are finding this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. In my description section, there is a link to a video that explains where you can get your 360 wig, full lace wig, any kind of wig. And I explain in detail how you can find a good vendor in that video. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, I appreciate the support. Okay, when I got to this section, I didn't pre-stretch the hair, so I came up with this little method. I used my rat tail comb and I just raked the hair. I just raked some of the hair from off of the, like you see what I'm doing right there. I just pulled some of the hair off. So I was basically just ripping it off. So I can, because I realized that it was like pre-stretching it and it worked. So I did that for the rest of this section and it came out perfectly fine. I just wanted to mention this because maybe it's something that you could try as well, you know, because I know some people, they didn't want to do it using the thinning shears because they claim that they were losing, that you would lose, not that they were losing, but you would lose too much hair. Now let me braid it out so that you can see what it looks like when it's completed, when the braid is finished. There it is, nice and thin, beautiful. That's what it looks like on my head. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Do me the biggest favor and help me to grow here on YouTube. Help me get that plaque. And subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, go ahead and share this video on Facebook. And just, you know, help your girl to grow.